Hello, everybody. Welcome back.
Hello.
Abram is with us. We are on the oldest railroad line in Chicago, believe it or not. First owned by the Galena, Chicago, and Union. That is why some trains run left-handed. Well, that takes another video of explaining. Does it have a heritage unit? No heritage unit. Hold on. I want to start. For those of you that thought the village of Glen Ellen engine didn't run down here, it runs down here. It's that right there. I saw something that said 10 minutes.
What?
I saw something that said 10 minutes. All right, we're taking off. Keep an eye on that up there. I was talking to Abram. Sorry if I thought I was talking to you. Whoa! My parents each got new phones. Look at it. It can zoom into 9. That is awesome. Well, we're gonna look at the schedule after this.
Yuck, who's food?
Ew. We've gotta have another cleanup day. Maybe start something like a station cleanup. Alrighty, guys. See you next time. Bye.